Hello everyone, my name is Vedanta Singh. This year for my TPSP project, I worked on wildlife protection program. The purpose of my project is to call people to action on saving the Shenandoah salamanders. My project is important because it can motivate people into saving endangered species like the Shenandoah salamander and help in conserving nature. To start the project, I needed to find some endangered species. The species I chose to research on first were the Nashville crayfish, the Kowalski's horse, the Salt Creek tiger beetle, the Shenandoah salamander, and the rusty-patched bumblebee. Here's all my research. I finally chose the Shenandoah salamander as there are barely left in the wild. I also chose this animal because I wanted to learn more about him. On my research, I researched on their habitat and range, so they're found in forested areas, their description, so how high they are and how tall they are, their lifespan and reproduction, the diet they eat, so they eat mites and flies, and their ecosystem roles. One of the biggest roles in the ecosystem is to eat tiny bugs and control the bug population. My research is based on finding facts on the Shenandoah salamander. I learned a lot about them, including interesting facts that they breathe through their skin and live in moist places. To, on my project, I used the Big Six research process to help me. Humans are having a big impact on the Shenandoah salamander. We're removing their habitat for neighborhoods, malls, and a whole lot of new construction. This is making their population decline and ultimately disturbing the ecosystem. To create the awareness, I not only talk to my friends and family, but I also have some awareness videos, advertisements, and worked on persuasive writing to address the issue. Here are some of the advertisements I made. I used testimonial for one, bribery for the other, slogan for the other, and finally I used Advent Guard. I also made a report on all of the facts I collected and all the things important in this project. Here's my magazine advertisement I made to call people to action, and this is my commercial. Before I said I did a persuasive essay. This is the persuasive essay I used to talk about and call people to action on helping me in my cause. Finally, I had to communicate. I chose three people for my presentation, and I finally chose one to write a letter to. I greatly enjoyed and learned a lot working on this project. My project overall is the best in terms of knowledge that I've gained during the process. I would like to encourage everyone to help me in this cause to not only save the Shenandoah salamanders, but other endangered species. Let's protect and conserve our environment and do our part in the ecosystem. Let's make an impact together. Thank you.